hello little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is safety on road. So in this chapter we will study about accidents that happens why due to our carelessness. Now here some sign has been given of the road safety. You must remember them and you have to identify and write their names. So while on the road, it is very important to observe certain safety rules. If you are careful, you could easily avoid accidents. Safety on road, let's read about few important things while you are out on the roads. First thing is to watch out while you are on the road. जब आप रोड पे हो तो आपको अच्छे से देख के चलना चाहिए. Now always walk on the footpath. There is no footpath. जहाँ पे कोई footpath नहीं होता, आपको right में move करना है, and this would enable you to see traffic coming towards. When you have to cross a road, use zebra crossing, cross only when your turn comes. Where there is no traffic light or zebra crossing, यहाँ पे traffic light नहीं है, zebra crossing नहीं है, look to your left and then to your right and again to your left before crossing a road. Never run on the road, always walk. When you ride a bicycle on the road, always keep to your left. When you need to turn left or right, signals with your arm. Always make sure that you are in a queue while getting on or off bus. Never get onto a moving bus. You may fall and hurt yourself. Never forget these rules on the roads. They are for your own good. Always remember to hold the hand of an elder before crossing a road. Always. It is always safe to do so. Also follow road safety signs to remain sane. Right? Now, you may write 2 safety rules to be followed on the road. You have to write yourself. Now, a chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Now, we are going to start with exercise of this chapter. First is multiple choice. Let's talk. Accidents takes place because walking fast, carefulness, vehicle or carelessness. So, due to carelessness. It is important to dash the safety rule. It's important to follow safety rules, right? Always walk on the road, mountain, hill या footpath. Never dash on the road. आपको कभी भी रोड पे क्या नहीं करना? प्ले नहीं करना. Never get on to a dash bus. Never get on to a moving bus. Next is fill in the blanks. We must never play on a. हमें कभी भी रोड पे नहीं खेलना है. We must always use dash crossing to the road. We must always use the zebra crossing to cross the road. We must always walk on the dash side of the road. हमेशा आपको कहाँ पे walk करना है? Left side पे. We must always walk on a. हमेशा आपको किस पे walk करना है? Footpath पे. We must always follow the rules of the traffic light. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Accidents takes place because of carelessness. It's true. We must always play on the road. False. हमें आप रोड पे नहीं खेलना है. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. It's true. It's always safe to walk on the left side of the road. It's true. Next is road safety is must for all. It's true. Why do accidents takes place? Due to our carelessness. हमारी carelessness की वजह से accidents होते हैं. Why should one walk to the right side of the road? Right, because it's safe to walk on that side. Next is what would happen if the person tries to get on the moving bus? भाई अगर वो चलती बस से उतरेगा तो क्या होगा? He may met with an accident या फिर क्या हो सकता है उसको कोई चोट लग सकती है. And what is zebra crossing? Zebra crossing क्या होती है? It's a crossing from where you have to cross the road. What should you do before crossing the road? आपको पहले अपने left में देखना है, then right and then again to your left, right? So this is all in this chapter. Now we have done with exercise. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.